name Achimota St. John's and what Elodima. Was I a counselor before Agina tomb, no this time who is sister? I Amano and Wenty Yanel with ya anti perfect aquaba.
Yeah,
they make kind of
Oba Fefe Oba Pa, yeah, Obaya
Aquaba.
Yeah,
it was your phone in a way.
Radadumobia Hoya.
You didn't answer my calling in a and now they can have a count.
And one of our can, also.
And I have been a corner new year crack, and it's your best chance here, then tell so. And then come on, educate you because a dear and our real affair. What makes a successful marriage? It's not maybe one of my who they say I'm which I am a fed dog. So I have a person with 2 weeks, and I'm going to tell them why I'm going to say, amen. And it's a because I knew my pain. I have become we Mamma worry, my AF. Now, son, I because so you was so we are counseling. Now you're Christian, you mean it's a question pain every few so. They will message saying, for the sake of the a day our way.
Medase. Medayintio phony nasi. We the mamfa akwanya we na minchia Andrews taxi driver war Atomic Runabout Akwaba station and obo me pa me ba no na meni na ye tutu aka me nsem so he really helped Andrews wutie mi osi otie me da wase pa me koso no so o question na obi say no aware e dey na ma.
My first question says, so we are counseling, you saw a Christian, so a day near our way, and son, I am by your name.
Oh, say I can't our rear, ma can happen. Our rear sell bar any bema. And who no magic penny say, ye betsna, young quandeni na. Ah, bemano, acquire or bar no one day, if be son free now for na ordinaba abecanihum. And no, na ya worry.
Okay. And then say, Bia, me knew Biao, na menets dear, and when you worry, be Christian.
There be Christian and ya worry. And
I say about the traditional settings now, and ya worry, and ya worry, also, and ya worry,
and ya worry, and ya legal, and no, one say your cohabitation, me no next year, and ya worry, relationship na more, when ya worry. Now, can you treat me say a friend and penawadi? Then penawadi no, a war trampina. I said, why am I sending my worry? So more worry. And no, now some we see, I want no bones say, why, near and yet.
Okay. Yeah, that's not a sending in a mono. Near Yadina, and paying 40 to no Bema coffee, I was so, no Roberts, if you never see me in idea to and I affirm our way. Now say, I can't sad, dear. Now a DNA na so dear cutting the worry the purpose of marriage.
One say the purpose of marriage yeah share trust same one. Yeah Christopher there. Purpose near companionship.
Okay.
One say radical Adam no.
So companionship now we know can you count na there's a one you
yes. Companionship one say Adam no kwa na wo. Inte radical ne seso boafo edema so on be ka ne ho. No man ani nka. Into our really be say companionship. I say companion no it's more than just a friend. Obi obek say companion the answer me wadamfo bi wo ho. Amini be din kom wadamfo bible or wadamfo be me bi. But being this marriage companionship no is more than just a friend because we really dey bibia ni a obeka kire no. Wo kunu bibia wo obeka kire no watenka enema wusuro enema weni gini na no the person shares in it.
Okay.
It is about legally so abo be companion na ma oni ntino sa sembisi a ye nche won ko asa woni wo kwan ntimi for no edeko boy wadam for dia no enye ba wo na sisi na ma ya ware for no se ka bi kra na oba ne dia be ma na etumi ka che osetua.
Okay.
Into companionship, it goes more than just being friendship, you know. Companionship, not dress a mechanic. So marriage, first one is for companionship. Okay. Now, second one is procreation. Say a bell, na ya se bedrock. Say a warrior. Once a sex is only permitted in marriage, in Christianity, no. Okay. Into sa one warrior. Won't me have sex. Won't me any or bane bema munshe mudiano entime nkoso. Inshe mudiano so no nyama mienu. De enkwala de bewiase esanso ya de awade de ma yen se yen fangie ni yen fanchira do e ma yen mienu na ye wa aware no mu no.
Okay. Okay. And san nyama mienu we ne gina so. na se oba se okwa aware a edie na wo so ogina so de ware because meaning we have different views yin na yo adwene mu different obi ohono ma okoware de akowo obi okoware apagamfo obi okoware because obi aso ware bi enti die na se yi trust am ni free hono ma ebe ya de titi wa so obi koware a odi begina so ware
once sa we oba na wo koware a che so ware bema odo bema osuro nyame bema wodache no or his your vision for the future no he's part of it. Okay. Once a year na your way wo with ibis when he said next 2 years no you want to see yourself this way. Next 5 years you want to see yourself this way. It's bema na wo no obepel na wo pene no is the man in tune with that vision. Once a pembe no obi ho okoware a ni opese oye ne ho ne dache opese okono eya ontimi ndo because partner na wa beka ne ho no oni service ni bi ono ko bi no partner no sisi yenkosi nti bon se entiasie bi enim enije bi asunim nti wo yoba na wo kwaware a echese wo pe be ma odo no appreciate you no pe wo se ni awotie no se ni rade abo no ope wo saa na odo ne chi no bema na I willing say obeye adwuma e de ahwew because obabie ni ho a o say e ma no na nse wiase yenso ye adwuma de boade na so obabie ni ho a say ni kunu eto ade ma no ehwe na ne ninji nti so ba wo kwa ware e chese wo hwe se bema me koni odome odo na chese obetimi agina ama e ba na wofuo mu ni na fufu asem bi obesi bi obegina ma odo wo ni nti no say wo kra na wo shape sesan he still will be with you. On kwa side check 1 side check 2 ni sembia. Now yes and so osanso ye hard working into no the man will be able to provide for you. It was osanso nya be ma osanso suro nya meka ho dia na eche se wawie because odo Yesu into your bed na Yesu say emema na yetire ema no na ye Yesu na ye ba emema ne ndo omore se na Yesu do asafo no ono so be do wo se na Yesu do no.
Me da say every year you go wait 9.1 FM so na waso so awutie asetena pa ehun komompo e na wie yebo na ye bisa se e de na ma ware ye fe na ya kono na so bi we kira wo na wo sha aye ne fe na ya de ka be bisa se de na ware ya kire mu sa ware ne se be ma kofi na wa sira oba na wa ye no ho ade no de na betene fie se na yere e na ya ware na fe your purpose of marriage and as a botaye gina so ware Bible mo no ye ka companionship so obenye obi obeye o ho kan o kan ho ade nyine mo beboa wo se ye bone o eye papa obekura wo mu eno achi ye hwe se ye no so ye bewo na yase adore ne sa no te ena ye bebem ye ka oba ne be ma nhia edi mu na ebo mo ne no ye mpemeti Abraham ware wa ware wiye no ena sa ade ne bem na etimi awo ena me bisa ibi mu say purpose no me ni pay the Bible ni sinchen e die na minyina so mfa nkwa ware be ma odo obeji atum so obehwew obekuraw papa mu anybody mu na afin so wado wade nyina mu sanse na me hu ni say do no ebi wo no ma etimi ba nipa no ba ko umienu na ye hwese na me bi asesa na afi ya twe ho na side check 1 side check 2 anti perfect say edo enya warewu enya waredo enti eto aso afa na ye be main question na so ye bisa say enya ma ben ena ma aware eye fe enya
ma aware ye fe aware ye de ekukọ nani once aware ni be ye fa amanfo betumi hu say aware de ye fe na so be kom no na hwe na wusu won na ebi so ho a aware no efe wa wutim no so kra weni age once so wa aware mu na sa aware no weni ji wa aware no mu a wo bibia a kire weni mu yese de wo kwa adwuma mu abufuo bebrebe ni eyi bebrebe ni na asote na so ti aware mu na wo yoba ba ma no I so mfiu and they say adechia say and they wakofa adwa and they say na wait say no gina be me bo ha ni phone okodware kra no di redware ni rebe fikra no de twi sesem na won say nyama bebre na ma wani nje nti so pese wani ji wa ware mu a nyama din kan pai be kan the love odo because when you odo a and the kwa ware ni mu a wontimi because won say nipa ye ho fono na nipa so no wo kɔ no behu niama bi wo be ma ne ho wo behu niama bi wo yere ho wo kunu ho behu se saa niama we pa de nye sei na nka medwen se be yo na so odo ni nti no odo katamfom so ni na so se ne atresem ka kyen no nti se me do wa saa enana wo do na wo hwia kromo fe no bebe ha me de na nso no mi bumfu bebre mpacho mi bumfu bebre na se odo no so ho a odo ni be ma de bia no mepese meben ebe twimi aben saade no me do wonti me kwadwuma me pon a me nkotena bebi nya chokodo medi me ka befie wo ye be ma wo do ori na opese hu nanim ni ntino wona awofo akwatena bia ba na omonnom papa omonnom sanso frefre ma ya no wo de wo se chale me ko fie wife day house wo be ko odo no be twetwe akọ nti wife day house nti aware no odo na dinkan se wo de sika kwa aware mu a ebe fono so what they ahofe na ekwa aware mu a ebefono then so what the odo komudi a it helps to sustain the marriage
me da se na ehon na me pese me bisa se sunsunya bi da odo any commitment love and commitment se obi di ne ho hye bibi mu na okura sunsunya bi de mo na.
And so yani say if you love something, you are committed to it. Okay. So the love comes, then the commitment follows. Me do me dwuma ntino, edwuma me ye no radio dwuma we wo do ntino se de bia na wo koba. Well, until you are always committed, you want to see it grow. Until if I love something, I'm committed to it. If I can't be committed to means me you're committed to any bibia without loving it. Debbie, it's when there's love, there's committed. If you love your husband, if you love your wife, you are committed to the relationship. You want to see it grow. You want to see it flourish. You love it, so you are going to be committed to it.
Anti-perfect me that say, not just say, because I didn't make a successful marriage. I didn't make our we also agent now so pan the didn't kind anti-perfect any kind a do no so do a love commitment to shame I did be our dollar what do one who didn't want to na a shame now make sure say a baby and you will be any lame when I miss me lame will be any anti-perfect it's a second point in so apart from love another thing Ben and the marriage is successful.
Once now come back commitment, but you didn't carry until you move to trust. Okay. If I love you, I must be able to trust you. Me don't need to know. I'm committed to you. Into me, family and could you be full One kwan and many ediwechi. So I must be able to trust you. Say, Sisia ya made drama we are. Sisia me pese I'm committed to this relationship. No, our ya wo me ebet me engineer for the pump so ebe boa me aboa wo no. Can I trust you? Makes me nya gidie wo mu. It must be somebody who is trustworthy. E just who come to me do this me yi we there on fa me chida. Me yi we there. On me enko gina baby enka me ho nsembone. Me kunu we there on me fa me chida. Obetimi akotrek, obetimi akosem na obetimi atu kwan na enso no obesia abefie. Onko baby. Once a trust no so no yeah, mostly no, you can just a sexual aspect. But sika fem no so na ye hu hia na say sika no kwadi nkofo hankofa warrior chain a side check ne sanam na mano. Because trust no wo kwadwuma pay na ye de ma no wo be fia wo nkani na ebo a wo je 1000 wo ba na be ka che wo ye say meje 500 o na wo di biate na wo de 10 e de na wo de ye oba no susu akwadwa so wenye sika pan so no su di biate internet che say mo amutu na nkasa no munji mo hu ndi nti muntimi nye muntimi bie mo ho you are not open because be brain kwalas no obi kan se bi kire me o se papa bi a we si dan o si dan wa to asase o na we si hwesoma me bi wo so na papa na frim na o papa no mu nim ne yere eni ni hu ni pe bia sisi akọ 5 years ni ebusuani bi embe bi sae omo so nim sisi aso mo nton ade no so mo ntina so mo nim ni omonya ade no because papa na nche ni chi until if there was a truster and papa betimi aka chenere obeka chere na ebusuan for say me we japade wo ha say na so ye japade na te sisi papa na frim on 5 years ni they don't know what to do with the parcel of land again No, if there's trust in a relationship, it helps it. And more don't because me Judy says, you are open. I say, be any I will catch her. Me so me catch her. And yes, I baby said, Bema yes, but if there's trust in your relationship, Bema be sunyama, more do theater so. Will you be sunyama? Emma would do theater so.
Auntie perfect. So trust me. Answer na e betimi yaka say ma gi asimesi ana obentie dipano na ebegina bibi so.
Yeah.
And nti honesty, so we no credit chere no. And also who be here answer na trust na so. Yeah. Me person me bisa question, but answer na me bisa question. Who say na odi kan yaka sikasem 5,000 or 500. And ti me kunu no. Na debia wo scam uni scam enti da wo be catch me say wo bi no and wo ni bi no I can't believe it and no tell no say trust no so be hakakra enti be say wo can be kakra for honesty. So how can we be honest to ourselves? Sign na ye ma ye honest to each other bro ma ware no sign na wo say ekono
one say when honesty no you should be somebody I just any partner trust. Once a trust comes from you being what honest. I can trust you if you're an honest person. Say when him say way dear or dino credit or any credit for intimate me de me home ato na sem so. Or any credit for inti asem wo catch me dear e yampa inti me ware shemu wonimu. But if you are not honest, it's difficult for somebody to what? To trust you.
Exactly.
So the honest you must prove yourself faithful, you must prove yourself to be honest before the trust will come. Because trust does not come in a vacuum. Until a number getting kitty sa wokano, I'm sure why year 1, 2, 3 be my pakuna who say, "Wo no, when you look at for into me ratio more, ye." But in your mind, so as a partner, no, as a husband, as a wife. What me die ni yenkiti kiti biedi oh if ya mekwa no sika se na minya yo oh wo so ji we na fa fie ma me fa kan ni hye wo nti da wo beba beka se oh menye bi no obeji atuma se oh me de me so kakra we na mo ma me fa nko totomo ne fa nya bibi ndi what you say nanso no sa wo no wo mpa mu nka Obeko kura ne de bia no phone so na wo ye momo e de mankofo na wakɔhye kwan kyɛn teta kwan hyɛ na ɔyɛ de kɔmankofo na obeka kyɛm sɛ woni sika na megye di obeka sɛ obua sise kura na hyɛ ho na waye na mema bebre so ho boa oni sika no kura nya kitiwa bi eta ba bi otun be twa ne ho
I just love the conversation. I say baby on one so when you be kura na ka kre ta na so obetim dia ye bibi and it mo my honest my ho ya my ye no kwedi ye nyema ye emu na ho no and am say so na be ma awre no etimi anyina kɔ n'anim. That's perfect. Na ye kɔ na next point because yaka ahyase na edika yaka odo any commitment. Say odo obi na committed to the thing. Ye can commitment no ye can say ye do. Na wasa commit to the thing. Yes. Say wa do nipa na odo owre na wa de nyina hye na wo wasa ebenyini. Awre so de enka ye ne definition mu de enka ye nkɔ nsan ma. And it's not been for sending quite well. My worry in Panaway. Many Nippon to honor honestly and Shadania Classa. A bit true baby, I was it me boo and Nico say a power penty, you boo and you maybe so 9 Tanaho. And I say, do baby, I was a kind when I casa, send a baby and found you.
Once I said, oh, our women near Mount Koya. First of all, there's nothing like perfect marriage. A perfect country, yes. There's nothing like our way there a pepe there be our Arabia Nansum, our Arabian from so kakrawum, our Arabia Bibia Emma Bakweni, any generation then sipping wo. Nanso no yan sadia no enfenji naso. Ubu when you go near maybe so ye ni pebia or person bibia French when you do our rim. And you may go where you must once a good husband. One is a man who is what blind. So okurupa bema na nyefra. No ye pa so ye oba na so. Because okunupa no say we obi a weni fry na bibia obehu a men are attracted by the eye. Inemo mu. In the end there, you being faithful, you can't be faithful. There be obehu esini anke we shape na anke yo say when you know ebe how and meme ni no how mo David ko hu be shiba eni ya na kofa nsem bebre ye de bai na ma so ya nsum ya yende Inti una we ka na ukunu kwa mihunu wa ha na mikunu kwa ukunu kwa mihunu wa ha na ukunu kwa na oba we di nkomo ube gina sansensem we so akose waware akogu waware inti won say aware bia make you say aware bia wo issues bia wo but who ignore it and move on now we can so won say aware no empaibo aware pese waware timu a Yesu eche say oba aware no mu wo ni mfanse ni enye nipa mienu pe but Jesus is in the middle. Erade nia ojini dinu sa ala na ojini dia ono na e middle no. Nto ono na e ka mo abomu. Inta worry be or challenges. Inti wo say enia ma bi e koso ni pa kono ondi no kre ni pa kono ni nsem bi na one ne kasa. Embu wani ngusu ama ne ntwa wo so bi wo ha. Oye enya hwe wo bu wani ngusu ama ni kodum pempenso bi a. Wo kan wa asem bi enye ye nti wo hu say starting na no wa starting na wo no as couples no mu di hu nkomo nti ni pa ko ne se onja wo kan na enye ye then is why you bring in a counselor so on be hwe na on ka mutu no embom na muntimente mo ho ase na ye kwa na monti ase no muntimente mo ho ase
asetina pa oh yo papa 89.1 FM so we feel na fe na wachi me beto ha ende Bisa say again and I can come home my what makes a successful marriage? And whom come on ye dear free say obey committed to one another, obey dog or partner and I say only another while only no don't buy a kiss amano nothing so what committed and I said what so at dinner mukutani ye na and wait me aboa ya so aka aba ya ka trust and honesty nti no na ye was say never be oho na se nipa na ya bibia na obeka na anti-perfect say a good husband is the one who is blind or baby bi o ebe papa bi oni ne ni fra and o baby o yo ba pa bi oni ne na so sie sansa bema e ya na ni e na so no hwe e ma so ya so ye tepe na je say yes sanso na ye kokko anti-perfect a komo yi ye ne part 2 na extra say our real mono there was stages. Yeah. Just move from stage 1, no about stage 2. But is because there was stages where we
yes, we have stages in marriage. Internet mostly we advocate for sex, so worry we are. And that was some worry rates when we there be a fair in starting. Marriage is work. It's hard work. So when me when near Jumana 2 years, 3 years, your marriage will be on the rocks. Inti mostly no per book. You are trying to books baby so read books on marriage before you enter. Who enter where you meet any challenges, go back to your counselor. No more. Once I worry stages, first stage honeymoon stage, and that's a romance stage. Honeymoon what worry no from. Into odona wo de worry ye na wo ne onye ohun okasa ohun kra na ase wo sre ase wo ne onye no hun wo de ra worry mu into honeymoon no so na hwe kra won so bi kan hwe ye na wa kwa na be ma na yiyi wo star say ne ndie jai wo nyo wo hwenye ye nti ye no from say ma ware ko 1 year ni 2 years no bon say wo tell one no mo sha tare de kro entuma no ma pama de kro no mo ko ene o mani agi no we bo we be ko 3 years na say obi na me wo ni na me baby na just say when do stage 2 no okay stage 2 disillusionment stage. This illusionment stage. Into first you were illusioned. What do you say? Hey, I already there. Happy ever after. Once a story. Say na say hey Sleeping Beauty and they were happily married ever after. Yes, Bibi and Sibio nature so many jam kwanom ne na muntro no more flowers no mu di we ma we duane but you realize say I don't know what kind no hey ben me or I said ni nyamo mo kekan ni so ben asesa won nya be ma no won ne nte baby fapo oba so to baby now their upbringing is different be man if you busuan from naba oba no so if you busuan from naba how they were trained is different nti wa ba no maybe obi toothpaste kra na on say bi mu mia the middle fe nkanka me ma no kwa no mia finfin no o de egu so no okọ oba so de oba mia fi ase na akọ no de egu so pese e kama. They no grant me the your friends issues ba other than when they want me na say wo mia ni finfin obi so say on person you using a towel other than no kuna using a towel apepa ne ho there be me tell them the people many mu dia copy power baby no san so dia be sen ho ni na won say this is the time disillusionment no say hu ni papa so yo kokroko Prince Charming handsome na film say this way the way your dad say made order faith. This is the time you need to know, say, you also have faults. He's also having faults. So learn to adjust to his faults. So compromise. Until about that stage that you compromise with him, until you try to meet him halfway. It is so that no snona a hour. And then I just say, what that obey say even not be you don't get. It doesn't wake you. Once I understand because I say odoni woman, udu wana, odoni intino, it help you to overcome it. Now so you be so ustro nyame, ustro Allah, so I can you are much more drawn to erade. Erade won't say erade is the bonding factor in the marriage. So he's going to help you to overcome it. It will be disillusionment stage, you know. Now you are going to insecurity. It is here no obi o ha disillusionment no o manet na no swa maneke kan ko
perfect. Me pese ebe ye be say you know ye hu say honeymoon stage ne dey na ye say odo no ye kesesa na ya afa ye do disillusionment na afa de o say ni pa na mu kakaka afa ye tisa if I get to that stage ye pese ye hwe niam betimi aboa ama awore na ye Timmy do stage one. A sign that makes me adjust it. Also, I'm compromising. But is it everything that we can compromise? And then maybe we able because I have some maybe I take say we say we say you could look on a journal on cleaning the home. Yes. No, they are better. How should you treat this particular way?
Yeah.
After they say we say man on yes and who no. Now me go say me choose be no we worry no. I don't know name nyina to say economy do stage one of my idea betimi aboa ma wore na efe yetimi atoso akoye.
Once I do this stage now, the second stage now, you must realize say our Arabia one more challenges. So this is what you are also facing. Okay. So instead of you talking to people, no, this stage you don't talk to people. The marriage is new. Obi a obetimi na kasa na wo counselor. Your marriage counselor be or certified or no kwa no betimi na dim komo. If you tell somebody, a friend, maybe mama or papa, and they give you the wrong advice, it's going to and when they are any ban. Into most marriages don't even come on try disillusionment now into when you get to this stage, it's best of say you also have fault. Senior maybe wo husband or call private on people who ye no. Ebo also will say kwa untutwi ni ye. Otecha maso ntutwi into ono so ba ho so beki so be fi wano a e ono so nya scent wo wenum so ono kwa wa mene na eba into so nya me bi e chesa wo mene so ya wife for no ntimi mene nsem pa dia nya me ntimi mbu wani ngu nya me bi so wani nje enya bibia na chenchira ye ka into senior wo fi ba no e different so ono so fa fi ni fie ne ntiti e different. Into this stage you must learn say he was trained by a different person. Into I'm trying to learn his ways. Into maybe who say about you learn it. In maybe someone say in kakan no correct na obeti maybe oh yes no ani ade de anka wo ye ne nti wo pepa ya wo to was na pepa ya anka me po once ye dia gwan person me cross outside wo nti ya ye mami how you talk you present it no Abema no aye bibia afa ho na wo de agufuo de kwa nti wonnim se wanyini adu wonnim se che so pepa ho yi a be se ene so mfiu be ma bi so ho a me bi ho no pese o ye no tete wa and then the obey ne mo nti se no se fa be kan no this stage no you must be wise about it, you must be tactful in approaching it, don't be angry about everything mininsuo no munsuo enya bibia na wo be kan certain things bu wani kuso nkakra no ahwe kwa ba be ye nia ono ye no
Every year, sitting up on quite natural one or two. Every baby, so suggestion, big contribution, open someone near because I was a question. Counselor or demo, person who say a question, I'll wait to me, 0281 881 0281 881 enter the baby phone lines. No, now question is how particular topic here, one year may be was a cafe home. And Italian sitting up and I watch your senate, the baby moon, my better also. Name me. Sani awokan say yensi yenkano in a nice way. Usa it comes with anger. If you already a before never said me sure sani I don't know when I especially say me meninda Brony because I don't expect say obey
sir.
Na e ba from me so a wo se sa me no so yen kasa. Aba to me so prekope. Say na me fa so amenya no. Ebufuo na ba.
So you move away. Once we're dealing with anger and marriage issues, you know. So it's better you move away. Give the silent treatment. On I realize I say wifey bofu. So you move away. Ironing now for year or ironing. Say bibia for year edume bi allow it to rest. Inti bibia will cool it down, then be able to address it. Now so obufu no keka no da okase nti wunnim nyansa say. And the bema na wa be maybe no bebo ano so ama. Until obufu sana move away kope bibiye wo bodwa come and do it. And sometimes no so say we need din koma obeka the reason nti a maybe oye sa ade no. Okay. Ebo once a man kasa no eba ifiade yom ne eya ekitwe bi pe na eya de so obetimi ahyehye fie ya ye niama yi nti so de hye wadwum se me dem pam bibia chenchene me koprapra me ho a ubenya haw nti fa ne se waware me so me dia menyani so I'm learning to live with it. And in this stage you know so no it's not good to be telling things to people because it's new. After 3 years marriage, I think they be okay. It's one year asem now. Go on your knees. Bompaye neka cherade. Assembly me one talk to a counselor because sir in a manama kitin na wungu no. Enya nyama bi asu bebre. Achese wotumi draw on it. Once I dey na kit but wo hwe ni bebre you a small hill no. But once a big mountain afaja to na dey asamaba. Inti sanya manu just take it say it's something small. Talk to Jesus about it. So bufwa move away. So when Timia handle this stage, yeah, it move you toward the insecurity stage. Once I no say
hey, I do insecurity stage, you know. Now last be beside no be beside question said because of asem way work post counseling in marriage is it important? What were we doing? Na yes, I counseling and I acquire counseling beyond and who made and we here and the Winya papa. Once at the senia, who quack didi. Well, who did no pro one son? Nina, main person chance post counseling here because what were we in never bore one end to toy or barno end to me and can't. Now it's new, so she can't be too open with you. But with the counselor no, on him say counselors no so no, except by counselor be him say, assembly our clients be catch or no. Eka with him copy wuda, one can't show biada. It's assembly a meno be kebiano, a woman no want them. So what's the mammy can't show wukunu, mammy involve wukunu to solve it. A woman kwame no want them. We are helping to solve it. So wukunu bekawa monsemni na akayentem. It's the person is going to help you. Actually, come compare mukrano. Senior bema expert no ankodusa. It is senior onumube di dim komaya no. It will help you to come out with what you expected. And it's senior to direct it to wabwa bana bwa bema say senior ka bema ne penu. Senior bana penu. It's yen directing in say now to have the fulfillment in marriage. It was says counselor behind these steps in what in marriage, you know. It is a 2 years, 3 years, and also yet me more specific year because obi owa need the no months cry no will do disillusionment no asset in. It's when you go back, the person is going to help you to know that it's not only you who face it. Most marriages face it. As a counselor, me try no, but as a counselor, no, one will be in common. This is the challenges in marriage. Wakacha say, "Oh, con, our real na say na bed. They said, "Oh, be man." Say, "Ne mo kwa say na bed too." Counselor, no, mo counsel. Yes, yes. This we're really a part of premarital counseling before sober worry no. Yama the stages. Say it's not and you'll be also a pass you through with their connection and how godly they are and how they love themselves in disillusionment, no. Emma. We have some people like that, right? Because of baby so say be manete no ye bibi kra na or don't no crying to no oh so no is just one or no who she be man so do banning no no bibia ye ne fe. We have people who don't face it, but this is the major thing.
This is the majority, so this is it. Into who this are, you can run back to us. We'll help you to overcome it. But if you don't come, know that it's something that is there. Yeah, nipa. Into nipa. So psychology is about the mind,
okay, right?
Into saying nipa, this is how it's going to be. If you see it, don't get worried. Internal premarital counseling in here. When you papa mane and church or senior in yama tia wawarima, obekobedi sawari and you run back. But warrior no training na eni munu romance stage no de kakra ba ukotisi fifi no mu a no etese ugina poso afone egbo egbo konse ntina ye kasese omunyini kwani mu a no mu abaye nanfofo ase nuanu mu we kwa hu se mfansa me fa ba ye example wo ware na mu di 20 years in marriage wo hu no kunu ko beje nsam ye ntafo wo kan asama na we ya anza just onimu wusu nim no nti you are just like twins. Because but before you get there, no, there's trouble times, but you must know how to manage it. Because you're nipa so there, be a bad nature. Yeah.
Answer the questions. My man knows your phone lines is 0281 0281 8083. I said to Napa, as one common a boy, and they didn't come after our room. Get a mawari, then a mawari so. A day and a mawari, and it's nice so. Na ejine pi ema obi nso kra behwe ema nkofo behwe so why didn't you be an answer question be a person say contribution be a obetimi afre bra nkomo yekoso 0200 81 80 82 and that's 0200 81 80 83 na yeni nkoma anti perfect ya keka produce say obedru this stage. Last stage ya the solution no say they be at take for you okun wan kasa level after insecurity stage that's how they go insecurity stage this so yeah for within kind as it's now good afternoon as it's now now what did you say about so because you didn't have your cassette free. Me pachomati. O question the say now contribution the say.
Me pacho media media ukie the one na aje papa na me kaya me ni awale no set the fund bank o one before so the man the wale I just call them na ma o ba fi no na se ja the man no ai ya sa e market na eno de le no enyaja inakuwa ikitolika tayari na kuatia na yini unakuwa kwa wale fans na wengine na abepo ama ya kusema no hapo ndio
that's part of contribution also bet me and Fraser 281 and 281 8083 na ya tuchwe komo insecurity stage
once insecurity stage, you know. This we're not what when yama bebre fan and one person sisia no you feel like it's a disappointment. Sisia de me no me ho e den kra na ka me am be worry say ni pay mu. This stage, you know, you must be closer to your partner. Who say why kakai it's be ma we pa na me don na me ye me ho.
Who could bet me kakai am. As it's not hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yeah, can sit in a pan and work and say a masunje.
Okay. What is that to do with the
my Timmy, but how did you get free?
Also, we problem in the problem about the it's a kind of American. I have a question. It's Papa or what is the Papa? Now, we also more fire back to but you want to tell the Papa, all one is the air, you must be Obama to the Papa. What do you want to do? Apart from that, the three organic stage of family because my mother for not yet to our the special feeling. A special feeling was 3 weeks not that I get through.
So what's even not to say? Every son of say a day panting I'm an agosan.
Oh, madam, who come out?
And which you know, what you did not so you penny be him, and I say, Councillor be him, say, one friend and only him come or say, we be one Hannah, on Canamo Sovi, and why this happening?
Maka orang yang makan kata-kata bukan friend, aku cakap dia ada bukan dua, itu bukan dia. Itu kan, itu sebab dia model, aku nak yang model, so dia itu, kalau kita cakap itu, orang tu tak pernah memandang kata itu, dia yang kau dia, apa yang dia tidak memandang, dia bersifat normal, jadi orang yang juga ada itu kan.
Mate, we are the councillor number better Jack. You made a query. I'm so much my friend on the in common. Yes. As it's number.
But
good afternoon.
But
would you never be able to free?
But the person who Mr. Peter Chicken too. But me to meet Mathema, a woman there. Many. Me wo akepa be almost almost 10 years back because me no na no that you must be wo ni ni oba ya ma friend ya again ma friend ni wan na so oba ko a se mo ni be ka ma tinu ade be tinu yo be ka se ma no ya na no be
se mo
ma yeta ya u ba ko
question question of Bisa Papa or Koy, the same Bisa will be said. One in that Tanasia come once, and now they are two obedient, and Nipa Muir in a more fair than a Martinasia in common. You read the council number back to John. The council number back to John. We are now there to come a prime pie, which can pass us situation as you could pass out. Oh, pass out for the next answer. If I told my Tiama council and no Wakasa, and Nakasa, nothing, your chef pine before she went to see him come. Medasi. As it's number. Hello, Hello. As it's number. Hello. We were talking to Meka. You were told you baby I was free.
Nesse story was one year, what would I'm not saying it was put a book a passport of good work as a man in a head. A critical Sama. If you know all I have that, no one is that I die, it's not that time of swan.
Nyamema but I mean so do intina on we duane na wo so akọ na wo yese ni nyina ayo dontia e me mu miensa unja ni mo no so e ma ne fa bia de yin say e betena so na ye be kasa na ato na so eduma de be ko ye de number be tuja wo timi am fresh na ye bi komo me ba cho me da so frɛ asitina pa hello You are our Papa sitting us so good afternoon. Maybe I told you never be a cassette free.
I was a cassette free.
Never told one uncle.
Unfortunately, the president said you the only about what I said. About you go on the man, the full time, has to open out, yes. You go about who not come and lay together.
If I told you what was saying, my worry, and I said, more tremble. What did I was saying?
I can't tell you to me.
More to 2 years, man, I'm worry. If I shall cancel the baby one. If I shall be one, cancel the baby one. Merci.
Hello.
As it's not if I told you never be a cassette free.
Yes, the phone is
Roll for you, my uncle.
Yeah. I want someone about you. to read now or one of which. So I thought I said it. It's a nice thing when you go out and you what you do. Now I was watching more on the film. Then that is for sure.
Maybe I try to bet you that that's no contribution. Yeah, bet you do. Yes. As it's not
Hello.
Hello, as it's not Maybe I try to say. It's the macro by Swepacho. It's Sima. Maybe I try one question and contribution. Maybe I saw one question up at you. Manty was here. Maybe I saw without question again. Maybe I saw without question again. What's this? I know about it. Never see a If I say you one, if I say you one, consonate you one. Medasi. As it's not Medasi, we didn't do a American selfie. Brett. You pay you one, right? Or you pay you one, and which is so you are the counselor number ever to draw. To say, be any opportunity and friend on the education. Yeah, that's it. As it's not bad. If I show you, baby, I can say, plant this soccer. Me also. Me ba cho wa ha hotel. What also?
So, we want to get a former cancer.
Me ba cho bisa.
What the done there? Then now I hear. And now, cancer, young. There. I was there. Yeah. Say, why you want to check out why you want to buy. Oh, that's what I got. Better we done there. There, what will we shampoo? It was shampoo, you know, not to react, not to that. Our little far, yes, but if we jump on our garden, on my head, they say, if we our
traditional marriage.
Yeah, why, if we shower, if we shower, but one got now.
Okay.
I want to man, yeah, they were on children, say, if we shower, yeah, or This is a set of as an awful time, or course, and I would say, I don't know, I just about
that's a pass of free. Send I know, anti perfect. Course, no, you're able to hold Kaka. Now, here, questions, Libiano. Question, no. And also, but we send a year in me, no cremano, waka and quay. Enti ope anu ye ye de number be to dem ma frɛ mo ba be person ka obe keka ne nyina bo na ka wa bo ni na tofa na fe de plantation ka kan last yi sisi say obi o hono ma we traditional marriage you agya to ko sign no court e was say ya wo
your questions no first one was be man say ne we no ontie futuo nti no one ne be ka wo mpam no ade chi enye no enye no no ye waka kunti oba no emfa na adwema no birthday crowd na che say won say our rate sa no oba se wutie mi a eche so hu say sisi na ware ho odin se obenya be ma pan sim pam ya ba fie abaye ohwa de e wo papa ne wo man obusuafo ho no no wa betina se okunu ne yire no ɛho aden bɛse na yɛnkɔ deɛ ɛyi kɔyɔ bɛda deɛ ɛdɔɔso nanso sɛ ɔno ɔbɛbɛ fia bɛsrɛ wase etu tirinsa no ɛho aden nti sɛ wanya aware a mesrɛw hwɛ so ye na kura mu ye ewurade koraa ni gye aware ho ɔde aware kan nipa yansetena ho nti ɔba wo yɛ sɛ gyae ɔse sɛ ɔba wo nkyɛn anadwo so a yɛ a wo mpene bo so me koraa baako pɛ na wama no daabi wo yɛ saa ɛnyɛ ɔba deɛ ni na aka ho ayɛ wasɛdeɛ sɛ wo kɔ a trɛsɛm kyerɛ sɛ ɛmfa wo ho ɛnka me wukunu so ɛmfa wo ho ɛnka mo yere nti sɛ ɔware a wo nipadua no wo ni so tu na enye se nsuo kokko bi na eba na ehonam na eyomra eche se obi ekwan no enkeka ntum wo yoba a jaisa na ye kɔ second question no so no o say say obi wo ne wo mpena ewo ho me use word no wo ne wo mpena ho wo ware no na be ma foforo be pena na wa pene na wo be ma no me bi se wo sa wo anka obe de wo ni nipa ku ya twempa 3 years 4 years wa unko fie nkoye ne ho hwe be ma foforo aba na ono so ebepe no anhwe hu se we no obetimi aware me ne suban ye odi nokre nti no opene no nti mesra sa wona ne te na se unko foforo ba na se omo be se ne pe no opene na che se wankasa no woni ama bi no entwa ye nti bisa ho assess yourself say den na ewo me ho den na me ye enye nti na aba ya me ni nanti obi foforo ba pe na wasanso apeni ama no oba bi apaware nti wo twempena susuni ne oba twempena 3 years 4 years 5 years obi kwa 15 years kwa na mo twempena 2 years pe kofie oba ware na kofie na ko bisa na se na ware no na so ware no nya wodia nti foforo so be se ne pa otime pene na ye ko enim no ba ko so ebisa se e wa kwa ye kokoko onye niama ni nwie won se kokoko de ye ka mambre mu a kokoko ne ye say interested in your daughter me hu insurance bi ofia person beti into akobokoko wo de snap mienu ebusuan bia na mamre me de snap mienu ene e de baaye nti mo de aba abekire say oba we no ye ni gine ho nti samre na oba de busuanfo ba be hwehwemu ehu say be ma ye be o person o ware ye mbe eya na ye be pene nti so mo pene ane e de list afro say be list na kokoko ne nya ware o kokoko ne ye say wo kwa akoyi uhwedi akire o mo say I'm interested in your daughter now I'm interested in any pakone nda we are interested with any na wa pene na one oba na te obo okoko keke na omaye no omo wo be say 5 kwa your family planning you twa wo yenye ne sa ade a wo pene de je so obo hoka enti kokoko no wa ye ade na nso sanso yenkan na aka no totone ama no ne koyo oba no ho ade na ware ne ndimu NCP aware NCP ne ne wa ye kokoko ewie why kokoko ewie na wasanso aye etu intri wetu a oba ni trinsa na ehun se aware no esipi na why kokoko a wunwie ye obi fufuro sanso background media nipa ko na de mano kokoko ni nche se aware no ubo kokoko na obi fufuro so ba na obe kokoko na mo ebusuan hu se we na bebo itimi de mano intimesrew bra wutie ye
so free nzema
free nzema che se onyonkopa ye duechi inti yeda wase se wo frɛ ye nanso boaboa ho na koye enkan no
na we for to course na se ne course ne ba na no ye dwem asetra pa
ma gudwe
iso betina do wa already on this kakra ne
okay
e ba so di ni ba ya ka se fi
da so de ya ne ejano wa madina
ejano wa pa cha wa question kwa na contribution
me ba so aya no mo ka bi de aware ana de aware ne wona ma mi ta aware na na ka da ya wa ne aware na ka
me pa cha wa te e cancel the you one okay me das
hello madam
eja me pa cha wa na me ne ka se o kan ga mentasio
okay yo
itu de ya ka twi ni bro fo na ka me das I come. Also, went to be the question about 200-182 and I don't 200-183. Now, you come on perfect. No one question be an obisa.
One said, you obisa only plantain so Canadian echo.
Okay.
One said, our dear. eno ani fie de no nti obi ase me kwa engagement unkwa engagement hwe mo amokeka engagement me kwa engagement sesan marriage traditional marriage me kwa akọware me kwa engagement ni say of engage with some ware na wa ware we engagement be na wo nti yan de ya bibi mu ha say akamfo na say ya mamra ni na ya ware no nti say ukọ ye kokoko no ya more list no wo do obusuafo akọ nipa kakra omoso kakra mo akotena fie mo aye mo ade mo ware ano no wo pa wo de be court akosan
so it is a traditional marriage and so ya ware as it na pa as it me da say me pa to di be bia kase free Auntie Rahel mo anu
me pa ke kwa ndi ku da na kwa
me pa che da si
me pe me pe awale de before I worry obi no I was saying something about best friend in the course of whole day, you know, I was telling your best friend, you can share the things with your madam the time. You can share everything with the person. When your best friend, we are go together, we may be there. And before I walk out the worry, the year of the dream, the one before the worry, you are best friends on the indeed. The year you are, or you better than two. Because you want to believe it. And that is more friendly, more personal, more than I did that way. But more than best friend. It's very nice. So we are more than best friend and we are there. You don't have any problem in marriage. But you should learn to be friends before you get married. It's very hard to be for that house.
Auntie Rahel, yeah, that's it. Auntie Rahel said we should learn to be best friends.
Yes. Once I know kind, why are they pa Auntie Rahel? Once married couples who are friends before marriage, you know, it helps. And they should be friends also within the marriage. Well, sometimes we're not friends. But during marriage, you know, they can also become what friends. Maybe yeah, be worry, you know, in sense, maybe into no, they share that you're close. But mo be worry, I'm married to you, I'm your partner, but I'm your what? Your friend. Once I say me kunu, I am a number one friend. Or I am a distant partner, just as same bia me cancer. Don't they show me engine room.
I don't know. Hello. As it's number. Now what did you say Emma Sunday?
I know my dear. Your friend is taking. You can say my dinner. I'm not in a mission
Amen.
My worry is you are finding a way to make the seven expectation family of Obama and King. Any night, Obama and much of more who can start to.
Okay.
Almost can start to. To be set now for your hotel, Imami, Master, and I say. And now, and one we saw what they don't appreciate anything now, their money at it. A young man or more hour, everywhere, very fire one. If you see them, if we do so, as young to everything about the house here. The young man, so you don't appreciate anything. Literally, about everything. As long as one person must be. I'll say, let me put the shower and I don't take care of it. Oh, so I'm not like saying our area. Oh, my money go on my young hour for the year.
Never more with it. Never more with it. Never more with it. And that's why I call. And that's why I call. Yen just say a bit to me at say, oh, a fee. Now, you pay you for it. Say, come additional query, yeah, the council number bet so Edra. Now, I'm so waiting me a walk when we saw. Our realm of problem now, pet or year dear, and you can say, yes, Shana, and Edja. I was a Shana come over not be at me person. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. As it's not bad. But as you didn't have your gazette free. Zongo Lena Crescent, Chabe my uncle.
You have a shop in my Ghana.
Medasi.
I want to know another day. They are any or draw in me our unity. We can't be now, we can't be the seven months we can all day. Yeah, my men one and another one. So look what he has been using Yamino. I'm not going to so properly water. Oh, to me, for so many years. I don't know what I know. I'm not near that one. Every year. No, every. Now, when I'm doing what you're going to do, you're one year. And me, nothing, never know. After they after some. And you know, say, and if GPA, I want to know GPA, that will be more. Never know who me after some now I so we are and I'm a big guy. You see, if I get so we are, I want to be here. And the second year, on top at the minor and GPA, the minor boy, that's the young Palapa for the one. That be for money, I'm not papa. Not to come on the one. Now you do what I'm trouble. You know, I don't swear to me that we are there. Indeed, and what they have money out of the money. You can come to work the camel.
Yeah, that's amen. Yeah, that's a new contribution. Very powerful and point. As it's not as it's not Emma Sunje. We didn't know you are going to Papa. Yeah, that's your contribution.
Na ma me ka fa tra any oda e wa wali na mu da me ka fon se ye tuna to odo ma na nya ye biara no ye mi enu adi e bi ti ba ne bi tra tesa ye ye nya no odo and the people who don't know in Indonesia, not in Chino, on the tree and Indonesia, and my doesn't see 1 year. Now, we so that on the man, and I said, where you can't do wood started.
Okay. Councillor Bayon. Hello, Bravo. Okay.
And I said, you on. The meals may know, maybe the schedule one of the for a year winner, better maybe anything, that's what you get through. And you got my identity. Now, make me become, but maybe never sure. If you know, I got to win your reality. I wouldn't say it to be tested. And then we have to work.